Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix SIM card no service on iOS. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are many ways for you to do to fix this problem. So let's just go ahead and start with a simple one. So the first option that you have is to just go ahead and restart your device. Okay, so once you restart your device, just go ahead and turn it back on, and that should help you with your problem. And the second option that you have is to just go ahead and enable the airplane mode right here, and then after that just go ahead and turn that off, and that should also help you with your problem. And now for the third option, if you have the lockdown mode, just go ahead and turn that off. So to check if you have the lockdown mode feature, just go ahead and open settings, scroll down until you see privacy. Once you've clicked on privacy, just go ahead and scroll down and you should see the lockdown mode feature. So if you have that feature, just go ahead and click on that and turn it off, okay? And after that, that should also help you with your problem. So the fourth option that you have is to just go ahead and take out your SIM card on your device and put it back on after a minute or two, okay? And then after that, that should also help you with your problem. So the fifth and last option that you have is to just go ahead and try your SIM card to another device, okay? And then after that, just go ahead and check if your SIM card is working on their device, and if it is not still working on their device, just go ahead and contact the SIM card's customer support, and they should provide you with assistance about this problem. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.